Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. In this video I would like to focus only on the shorter time frame because everything else was discussed in previous videos. It really looks like that we are coming down here currently in this C wave of a higher degree wave Y and 2. In the C wave we have 5 waves. I showed you yesterday that it's likely to get one more wave forward to the upside. I gave you a resistance area. Let's just double check if that needs to be revised, because we might have had another low after my last video. No, we didn't. So the resistance or target area that I gave you was correct. We've actually already moved into it. Yeah, so the trend change on the shorter time frame that was anticipated has so far worked out and is working out. Now we just need to see, can we hold it? Yeah, because this is resistance where I said to you, okay, it's likely that on the weekend, maybe on Saturday, Solana is playing out this wave 4. You can see that here. We counted that wave 4, still the wave count from the last video, and that we have a good chance of getting one more wave down in wave 5, sort of in the $19 region. This is obviously playing out at the moment. It's just that obviously the wave 4 would typically consist of clear 3 waves. I mean, it looks like a 3-wave structure, but time-wise, ideally, I mean, it's now early Saturday, ideally it takes a little longer to play out, so we might get a bit more of an extended 4th wave. Not necessarily extension in price, but maybe time. So something like that could be happening here over the weekend, yeah, and that the wave 4 will be here. Important is to understand what are the resistances for this 4th wave, and the idea is that in terms of resistance, price that does not substantially break above $21.50. That's the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. And we've now also reached the area of the previous wave 4 high. Can you see that? And I highlighted to you that that would be additional structural resistance. Now we are there. So this would, in my opinion, be an ideal time for it to do at least a temporary move down and then another leg up maybe later today or tomorrow. Looking at the indicators as well on the 1 hour, we're now already overbought. So it's a good time to at least temporarily and locally to turn around, as we did it here as well at the top of this 4th wave. So let's see. I mean, I can't really tell you more than, okay, this is resistance between 20.58 that was broken anyway, 21.10, which is the ideal target for a 4th wave. The 38.2 retracement is typically the ideal target for a 4th wave. It's just probabilities. And then the 50% level is what we might still see at 21.50. It's only that if we break above that, we may have to change our view and something more bullish might be going on. I mean, again, Solana also one of the coins that rallied, or not rallied, but that broke into into support. So it moved into our support or trend reversal area. As long as that's the case, the requirements for this wave 2 are technically fulfilled. Okay, so it doesn't necessarily need that last wave down. Sometimes you just don't get these last waves down. That's why I typically am not trying to get or fish for the lowest low, because you sometimes miss it. You actually, in fact, often miss it. So sometimes prices turn a little early. Yeah, sometimes they turn a little late. So just be aware of that. But broadly, as long as you understand in what price range price should turn, you can play with that. You can manage that with tactics. Okay, that's now where we are with Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.